Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous, beautiful Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got another one of these wonderful, wonderful studio trucks for you here today. Just brought this one in, drove it in from California, and if you see that little puddle underneath there, that means that the air conditioning is working. It's a little humid here today. So, super rig, 2012 model Ford F650 Super Duty with the XLT package. That's got the extra tall movie studio / moving box on it. It's a marathon box. I believe it's 24 foot long. It has all of the extra storage underneath it. And it's a California truck. So yeah, that's what it looks like. There's no rust on there anywhere. Super trucks. It's got the nice big heavy duty semi type of curbside door here. And that also has all of these wood slats and the multi-track all the way around the whole box. So you can tie stuff in there. Nice solid oak floor. Holy mackerel. No holes, no nicks, no airs. Nice little attic up there. Yeah, about 4 foot deep, something like that. Translucent top. Nice roll up door. Solid truck. And of course it's got the semi type of latch on it there. So once you put your stuff in there and secure that, maybe put a padlock on there, that ain't going anywhere. Tires on it are very good. This storage compartment here also has a couple of dry cell backup batteries back there. That is so if you want to run this power liftgate a little longer, you can. There's also right here, it's like an RV plug. You just take a regular 120 volt extension cord, plug right into that, and then there's a charger down there that'll keep the batteries charged up. And then you can run the lift and everything all day long. Speaking of the lift, very cool setup. Very cool setup. So what you got here is a 2 buttons, 2 switches. The top one makes it tilt down and up. Trust me, it does go up. There we go. And the bottom one is for up and down. So when it goes all the way down, I'm going to take just a couple of extra seconds to show it to you. First it's going to settle. Now it's going to actually go down so you can run your pallet jacks up there. Big, wide. Haven't measured that. I'm thinking that's 4 foot right there, so we'll call it a 5 foot wide box. And it is a 4,400 pound capacity. So when you go to raise it up, what it's going to do first is it's going to level. Then it's going to go up. Pretty cool. Now, since you've got the ability of making that liftgate kind of tip up and down and all that kind of stuff, it does that for a very specific reason. Because when you get this up here like that, you take the top one, you raise it up, and when it goes up, it connects up there and it makes the tailgate, right? But here's one of the things that I think is kind of cool about it. If you have to back up to a loading dock, we'll just pretend that that's level, okay? If you get it back up to a loading dock and the loading dock's maybe not quite as high as your truck, well then you can adjust that, right? Or if the loading dock's a little higher, which is unlikely, you can do that as well. So it's just a spectacular unit. I just absolutely love it. Up above there's a little hinged little area right there. And all you do with that is give that little pull rope there, little pull, and that'll open up higher. And it'll give you about what, another, let's say 2.5 foot of clearance. So you can put some pretty tall stuff in there. So when you run this up, as I say, she pretty much becomes the tailgate. Nice heavy diamond plate. Man, you're not going to damage that at all. So when this goes up now, that's gonna hit up there, and now it's secure. And the reason why I went through all that work is because I wanted to show you this. When you got that lift gate up in the air, look at there, you've got a receiver hitch, heavy duty receiver hitch, nice piece. Palfinger is the brand of it, 4,400 pound capacity, built for bear. And this has also got storage all the way down the sides down here. And again, California truck, rust free. There's nothing weird or dumb about it. And I'll just close these up because I just don't want you to think I'm hiding any big scratches down the side. Nobody has run into anything with it. Solid little truck. Nice piece. It's got one little thing right there. Doesn't look like it's been hit. I think maybe it just came loose a little bit. You might have to put a drill screw in there and maybe put a little bit of a sealant on there. The box is a Marathon, and it is 13 foot 6 inches tall. So it's as tall as you can get by law. It is a crew cab. That's very slick. I like that. Nice little crew cab right there. 6 passenger seating in back, and I've got that seat up. I got this seat down, and you know how that works. You just hook that up like that, and then you got storage back there. Pretty cool. Big old fuel tank. I think it's a 60 gallon if I remember correctly. Look at there. It's got power locks and windows. Nice setup all the way. It's got an aftermarket trailer hitch right there. Haven't checked it to make sure that that works. This is the switch for the power for the liftgate. I always turn those off just to make sure it doesn't run the battery down. This has got the Ford factory seating in it. It's electric over hydraulic, and it's got lumbar and thigh support and up and down. It's got a foldable armrest on back. Very comfortable. Look at the headliner. This truck is spectacular. I love this truck. Got one little issue right there. Maybe I can get it, maybe I can't for you, but there's a little crack in the seam right there. I think you could just stitch that back together. And another 3 passenger seating up front. Rear camera for the back. That's always kind of nice. Hey, here's a sound system. Now, the only thing weird about this, I'm going to just turn it down. The digital display doesn't light up. Don't know why, but it does work. And if you don't like that station, it's got seek and sound, all that kind of stuff. So you can go out, you can listen to it just fine. Air conditioning is on. It works really well. I showed you that it was dripping the condensation up front. Extra switches right there if you need to put a little something extra on there. Here's your built-in cruise control. And there's your tilt wheel. And the best part, it's only got 128,000 miles, that's it. Hey, notice that there's no check engine lights on there. That little red light on the bottom, that's the parking brake indicator. There, see, now it's off. Now it's back on again. I don't want to roll into something with this. Such a nice truck. This is a non-CDL, 25,999 pound GVW, I believe is what it said on there someplace. I think I saw that. Nice truck, yep, right there, 25,999. Don't know if it'll zoom in on that for you or not, but there you go. 6 passenger seating crew cab, 2012. A Marathon, 24 foot extra tall body with the attic in it. Heavy duty, 4,400 pound Palfinger liftgate, adjustable height, the whole 9 yards. Nice chrome front end on it, clean truck, nice piece. Nobody's running anything in the corners up there. Cab looks good, tires on it are really well. We just drove this back. Matter of fact, this is one I drove back myself. We just drove this back from California, so 2,000 miles. It runs spectacular. It's got the steps on it. You guys up north, look at there, no rust. You guys never see that. And it does take DEF. It is a 2012. So it's a beautiful truck. If you can use this truck, you give me a call. You know how it goes. We're right here in Henderson, Tennessee. HD Trucks and Equip. And if you can use that truck, you just give me a call on my personal cell phone number, 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.